Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2017 Dodge Charger RT Daytona Sedan. This Daytona, with its muscular HEMI 5.7-litre V8, prominent black spoiler and bold stripes, hood scoop, SRT body kit and 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, screams attention wherever it goes. This aggressive-looking and sounding muscle car should be a top contender on your list. The well-equipped cabin has a plethora of upgraded features and safety options that would be comparable to a top-of-the-line luxury sedan if it was not for its heritage-rich styling and muscle car performance. Notably, this model enjoys Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, 10 Beats premium speakers with subwoofer, blacktop package, Daytona Edition group, and ParkSense rear assist system, to name just a few. To see the full list of specifications on this Daytona, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to rush on over and put this powerful Charger through its paces today. Prepare to delight at the old-school snarl of the exhaust note, the grin-generating acceleration, and overall thrilling driving dynamics. Don't let this one get away. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.